Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you guys exactly how to wire a water heater switch step by step for beginner. So when you look here, you can see that here is the wiring of a water heater switch. When you look here, you can see that here is a water heater switch, and this bulb here, we are going to use this bulb as a water heater. So as you can see here, the moment I turn on this switch, the our water heater is going to turn on automatically. So as you can see here, the water heater turns on automatically. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys exactly how to do the connection. So let's begin. So first, I'll lose my breaker this way. So I'll lose my breaker carefully. So now this live wire from our breaker is we are going to connect it to this live end. Where you can see that I'll lose my live end and put the wire this way. So once you put it, then you tighten it. Remember, before you do this, you switch off your breaker to avoid shock. Before you do it, you switch off your breaker. I already switched my own off. So you tighten it this way. So now we are done with the live end. So let's go ahead and connect our neutral end. So first, again, I'll lose my breaker again. So here is my neutral breaker, and I'll lose it this way and connect. So make sure you tighten it very well. So now this neutral is going to enter our neutral end. So here is our neutral end here. So you can see our neutral end here. So let's go ahead and connect it. And tighten it. So ensure tight connection. So now we are done with the input terminal. You can see we are done with the input terminal. We have connected our live and neutral wire from our breaker to live end and neutral end. So let's go ahead and connect our output. So the output wire is the one that goes to our water heater. So this output to here now is going to directly to our water heater here. So let's go ahead and connect it. So remember, I don't have a water heater here, so I'm going to use this bulb here for demonstration, but all the connections are the same. Water heater only has a two terminal, your neutral wire and live wire. So it's the same thing with this bulb. So we are going to connect our two wire from our bulb here to live in and neutral, to live out and neutral out. So this wire, we are going to connect this red wire to our live in out, and this black wire to our neutral out. So let's go ahead and do that. So when you look our switch closely here, you see that here is live out and here is our neutral out. So we are going to connect our red wire to live out. So you lose it and put the wire. So you lose it this way and insert your wire. So once you put it, you tighten it. Tighten it. Then you put the neutral this way. So now we are done with the connection. So now let's go ahead and test our switch. So first I turn it this way like this. Turn it like this and switch on my breaker. So you can see that our bulb turns on automatically. And this is how your water heater will turn on too if you're using your water heater. So this is how to do the connection. The connection is very easy.